Hello, dear kids. Welcome back to your online classes. I hope you enjoyed your holidays and continued your studies also. So, children, let's start our studies once again. This is the third chapter of your science book. And, children, here's a question: how do accidents occur? Now, tell me, if there is a lot of water on the floor and you run quickly on it, what will happen with you? Definitely, you may fall down. Again, in the second case, if you don't see both sides on the road and cross it quickly in a hurry, again accidents may occur with you. So, children, to avoid accidents, you have to be careful always and you have to follow some rules that are called safety rules. And here's our topic also, that is safety first. So, let's start our chapter. Children, wherever you are, either you are at your home or you are outside of your home, you are at your school, you have to maintain your safety first. Children, now tell me, if you have not cleaned your floors of the bathroom or kitchen, or if you have left your toys here and there, what may happen with you? You may fall down like it, okay, and you may injured. So to avoid these type of accidents, do not leave your toys and other things here and there, and keep the floors of your bathroom and kitchen dry. Okay, children, here are some accidents that may also happen with you when you are inside of your home. Burns, burning. Burning are caused by hot object, as when you touch hot water or from steam, or when you go very close to the gas stove. So to avoid these type of accidents, what you have to do, turn off gas stoves when not in use. Okay, and do not wear synthetic cloths while you are in kitchen, because synthetic cloths, as example nylon, rayon, they catch fire easily. Synthetic cloths आग जल्दी पकड़ते हैं, इसलिए जब आप किचन में हो या गैस स्टोव के आसपास हो तो आप सिंथेटिक क्लॉथ्स ना ही पहने. चिल्ड्रन, हियर्स another example: electric shocks. Electricity is very useful for our daily lives because it makes our life easier, but at the same time it contains a lot of dangers also. So children, you have to be very careful when you are using electric gadgets. First, what you have to do, do not touch electric gadgets with wet hair. Sorry, wet hands. Children, इलेक्ट्रिक गैजेट्स को आप गीले हाथों से कभी टच ना करो. ओके, एंड do not get too close to electric fans and electric heaters when they are on. जब heaters and fans on हैं, आप उनके बहुत close ना जाओ. Children, when you are seeing that any person is getting electric shock, or you when you see sparking from any gadget, from any electric point, what you have to do, you have to put off the main switch immediately. Okay, do not touch that person. आपको क्या करना है, जब आप स्पार्किंग देख रहे हो किसी भी इलेक्ट्रिक पॉइंट से, पहले आपको मेन स्विच ऑफ करनी है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, so here are some rules that you may follow to avoid this type of accidents. चिल्ड्रन, पॉइजनिंग. आपको, अगर आप किसी मेडिसिन के बारे में नहीं जानते हो तो उसे आप कभी कंज्यूम ना करो. ओके, बिकॉज इट मे हैव पॉइजन ऑल्सो, एज नेल पॉलिश रिमूवर, फेनिल, ये पॉइजनस केमिकल्स हैं. सो डू नॉट यूज इट एंड कीप देम away from the reach of children. Children, when you are on the road, you have to follow again some safety rules. First, what you have to do, to follow traffic rules always, because traffic rules are made for your safety. So always follow them. Children, second rule is walk on the footpath. Okay, and when you have to cross the road, what you have to do, use zebra crossing. Okay, here's zebra crossing in the picture. Use it for crossing, or if there is a subway or the overhead bridge, use it for road cross. Again children, do not play on the road. Okay, and do not rush. And if you are traveling in a car, use the seat belt. Okay, children. So, and always traffic lights and road signs may have seen by you to avoid accidents. Children, when you are at your school, again you have to follow some rules to avoid accidents. Children, because you run quickly or you push each other, then what will happen with you? You may fall down or you may injured. So you have to avoid them by following some safety rules. What are they? They are that do not climb onto desks and chairs. Do not push each other. एक दूसरे को धक्का ना दें. आप डेस्क पे ना चढ़ें. And do not run up or down the stairs. सीढ़ियों से बहुत तेज ना दौड़ें. Okay? And do not go for swimming alone. Children, do not play near thorny bushes or barbed wires. कटीले तारों के बहुत पास में आपको नहीं खेलना चाहिए. They may prove injurious for you. So these are some basic rules you have to follow when you are at the school. Again, children, here's our next topic, first aid. What is first aid? Definitely you may have heard about it. Children, the immediate medical help given to an injured person is called first aid. Okay? किसी भी injured person को तुरंत जो medical help दी जाती है on the site is called first aid. Example, when your friend is injured, what you do, you apply some antiseptic cream on it. Okay, or you wash it with Dettol. That is also called first aid. So children, now let's read about first aid. Children, first aid for cuts and burns. What you have to do when there is a cut in your hands or any organs, wash your hands with soap and water. Then wash the wound with water. जहाँ चोट लगी है उसे पहले आप पानी से अच्छे से धो. Then clear the wound with an antiseptic lotion like Dettol. फिर जहाँ चोट लगी है उसे किसी एंटीसेप्टिक लोशन जैसे डेटॉल या सेवलॉन से साफ करो. Then cover the wound with a bandage. फिर उस घाव को बैंडेज से कवर कर दो. ओके. Burning. When you are suffering from burning, what you have to do, first remove the heat source. एग्जाम्पल, जैसे आप आयरन से जल गए या फिर हॉट वाटर से, पहले उस हीट सोर्स को दूर रखें. देन वॉश द बर्न्ड एरिया विथ कोल्ड रनिंग वाटर एटलीस्ट फॉर 10 to 50 or 20 minutes. फिर उस बर्न्ड एरिया को रनिंग वाटर से एटलीस्ट 15 या 20 मिनट्स तक धोएं ठंडे पानी से. ओके, दिस विल प्रिवेंट द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ब्लिस्टर्स. इससे छाले नहीं पड़ेंगे. एंड अप्लाई अ क्रीम लाइक बर्नॉल टू कूल द एरिया. एंड कोई भी कूल क्रीम लगाएं ताकि वहाँ आपको इचिंग ना हो. बट चिल्ड्रन, इफ देयर इज अ मेजर बर्न, immediately go to the doctor. Okay. For faints means behoshi. Why a person faint? When the supply of blood to the brain reduces, a person faints. जब ब्लड की सप्लाई ब्रेन तक अच्छे से नहीं हो पाती है, धीरे होने लगती है, तब किसी आदमी को बेहोशी आती है. देन आपको क्या करना है? इफ अ पर्सन faints, make him or her lie down and raise its legs above the height of its head. Okay, and loosen its cloths and allow fresh air around him. Okay, उसके कपड़े थोड़े ढीले कर दो एंड उसे ठंडी हवा दो. एंड स्प्रिंकल सम वाटर ऑन हिज फोरहेड. अगर बेहोशी आती है तो उसके फोरहेड पे थोड़े पानी की बूंदें स्प्रिंकल करो. ओके, एंड इफ देयर इज सीरियस प्रॉब्लम देन कॉल फॉर डॉक्टर. Again, children, in the summer, you may suffer from nose bleeding. When any person is suffering from nose bleeding, what you have to do? Make the person sit on a chair with a head leaning forward. उसके head को आगे की तरफ करके उसे चेयर पे बिठाएं जैसे ऐसे, एंड press both sides of the nostrils for a shot and ask that person to breathe through the mouth. उसके नाक को प्रेस करें कुछ टाइम के लिए और उसे मुंह से सांस लेने को बोलें. ओके. So and an ice pack can also be used on the nose to stop the bleeding quickly. So children, here are some first aids and basic rules. These are called safety rules. You have to follow them to be safe always. Thank you children. Take care.